Hi, it's Ali. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be featuring Halara's activewear. I will also be showing a couple of casual pieces and I will only be featuring 12 pieces out of everything that's on my rack right now. All of these are from Halara, but this will be featured in the next YouTube video that I might put up around next week. Disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Halara. Thank you so much, Halara, for sending over all of these pieces. However, all of the opinions are, of course, my honest thoughts, as always. Also, you can use my discount code ALICE or ALICER for 15% off of full-price Halara items. And by the way, Halara really listens to their customers because they have the Halara Circle campaign every month wherein you can exchange your valuable and honest feedback in exchange for free Halara products. I'll put the details in the comment section down below. Now, without further ado, let's get into this try-on haul. And actually, 2 of the pieces out of the 12 that I will be showcasing today, I'm already wearing them. These are my favorites. I'm surprised that I don't have this top already. This is my favorite piece out of all of them because it is so flexible. But this one is also another pair that is my favorite for this haul. Cute. And it's a mini skirt, so I love it. Plus, it's the flex denim fabric as well, so it's actually stretchy and comfortable. I've actually already worn this skirt and posted it on my Instagram. You can check out my Instagram if you want to see more Halara fits and other outfits that I showcase, but I really do wear Halara often. That's how much I love Halara. First up, I actually paired this top with these leggings. That's why I got them. It's recommended in the website to pair these leggings with this top, so that's why I got it. These are actually like so nostalgic for me. Let me explain that because the last time that I wore leggings was like 10 years ago and I feel so weird saying this, but I swear it has been like 10 years since I've worn leggings. It's just not part of my style anymore. I used to find them really, really uncomfortable because I used to actually dance like Chinese dance and we always almost wore leggings for practice and I really did not like them because they just felt so weird on me. But now, after trying Halara's leggings, I am shook. They look so good on me and they feel so good, which is what matters most because I really was not expecting to like this at all. Like probably had a 50% hope that this would be a good pair of leggings just because I trust Halara. These leggings are so stretchy yet they provide just the right amount of comfort and also they really support you. They give tummy control, which I really love. This portion is actually much thicker than the other portions and it wasn't that hard to put on either. It just gave me the right amount of flex and comfort while also maintaining the support for tummy control. So it really does what it claims. And it also has the cute Halara logo at the back. And it has 2 pockets. Like, I never had leggings with pockets before. Like, this is just not fair. If I knew Halara back then and if Halara existed back then, maybe I would have enjoyed leggings. But now I'm so grateful that I have these. And I really want to wear this set for a workout or for jogging. This is so, so cute. Just look how good it makes my hips look. It's actually insane. And it is so breezy. It doesn't feel hot at all, considering it's black and everything. It's so lightweight and so easy to wear. I love this set. I definitely style it so many times. And I highly recommend it, even if you're someone like me who used to hate leggings. Halara is changing the game for real. And I totally understand why this pair of leggings is viral right now. Next up, I have this top. This is actually in a carbon color. This is more blue. It's not really a navy. It actually looks more like a little bit like a grayish dark blue, if that makes sense. And by the way, Halara has a ton of colors. Like, I mean a ton. From their skirts, their pants, their tops, they have different shades and different colors. So you're really gonna find your favorite color. I swear by that. And I really love that. Even though I lean towards minimalist colors, if you're someone who loves neon or more colorful colors, Halara has those as well. Just take note. Also, both of these yoga tops are actually padded already. They have built-in padding, but you can also remove them if you don't like them. The back is also really nice. It's not backless, but it's really low, so it's really pretty and flattering. And especially if you want to show off your gains, You're definitely gonna like this top, especially if you have back muscles. Like, this will definitely eat. And it also has a cute logo at the back. Next are these black shorts. This is so nice. I actually got this because it's good to put under dresses that don't already have built-in shorts. Like, for example, other dresses not from Halara. Also, they have pockets, so this is really convenient. You can put your phone in, your keys in, and they have it on both sides, so you can use both of the pockets for a jog or something, or for a workout if you just need your card. And it also has the logo at the back. It's really nice. It's just a basic pair of shorts, but the quality is really good. So that's why I got this. It really hugs the body and snatches in the waist. I really miss running and jogging, and that's why I got some pieces that I can wear for it. If you're someone who wants to look put together even when you're working out and running, Halar is the brand for you, because this actually has a backless cutout design, but it's not that like showy, and it's just the perfect amount of cute. Just look how good it looks. This is also reflective. It actually has these reflective dots, so when you're jogging or running, these will reflect light, so it's a lot safer to wear them. I actually also got this in white, which I'll show later on. But I just wore it over the sports bra that I showed earlier. This is so comfy. It's really lightweight. It has mesh over here, so it's breathable. And it's really just perfect for running or working out. You're definitely gonna love this if you love basic but chic and elevated tops. Got these mesh shorts to pair them with, specifically that black top. But they actually have a reflective version of shorts as well. You could check those out if you want. I love this because it has the mesh layer, but also another layer of shorts underneath, so it's extra safe and comfortable. So it's really secure, and I really am excited to go jogging because of my cute outfits from Halara now. Just one thing to note though, these shorts don't have pockets, but they are still a really good pair. And it's very stretchy. Just look at that waistband, and you can also adjust them and tie them if you'd like. Next is this amazing white skirt. It's so cute. They actually have this in more colors. I just got it in white because it has that edgy vibe, but it's like soft still, so that's why I got it in white. They actually have this in black, which I was also considering getting, and navy as well, but I got it in white because I just thought that I could style it more. This goes over your thighs and it looks so good. You can see it in the video. It's amazing. It's so cute. And at the back, it has this like area where you can put a tennis ball in, or maybe a pickleball. But yeah, typically though, I do see people putting in their keys or their cards in here at the back, and it actually has a pocket inside as well. It has one right here, so if you want it to be more hidden and safer. If you're looking for that it girl vibe, once again, this is the skirt for you. Next is the white version of that reflective running top that I showed. I really love this one. You still have that mesh design. It's the exact same top. It's just in white. And it has the reflective dots once again here. It looks really nice. I actually was surprised that this wasn't that see-through. More of a lighter and breezy material, so I really didn't expect it to kind of cover up the blue color underneath from the sports bra that I wore. Because typically, I would wear this with the white sports bra from Halara, and really nice for running. So I'm so glad that I got it in color white. Halara, please come out with more colors. I love this so much. Next up, I have this long sleeve top, and it has those cute little arm cutouts at the thumb area. This is one of the most adorable tops that I've worn from them, especially when it comes to long sleeves. I typically avoid long sleeves because sometimes they can get uncomfortable for me just because of the weather in the Philippines, and I wouldn't usually wear them in black. But this one, I've just seen it so many times online already, and I was like, yeah, I really need to get this. Super stretchy, as you can see, and it's actually very breathable despite it being black. And even when I wore this outside, like in the heat, I didn't feel uncomfortable, so I was surprised by that. And this also has padding. It has built-in padding, so if you're someone who doesn't like to wear bras, you have that option. But if you want to take them out, you can also remove the padding. Next, I got this navy blue skirt. This is what I paired that long sleeve top with. I really like this. I actually have shorts like this from Halara already, but not the V-shaped design. It has a V shape over here, which is really flattering to cinch in the waist. and this portion is very stretchy, so it's very supportive and comfortable. And it has a light and breezy fabric. It also has built-in shorts, so you will not actually flash yourself because that's unfortunately a concern for some brands. And it has built-in shorts and built-in pockets, so you can even put your essentials in here, and it's just a lot more convenient. I would definitely wear this out jogging as well. Finally, this navy blue halter top. If this looks familiar, it's because I actually have this already in maroon. I got it in my previous YouTube video with Halara. It's really nice. And I got it in navy because it's one of my favorite colors right now. And I really like this fabric. This is more for casual wear. I wouldn't really wear this or recommend this for active wear because the design is a bit low. However, if you're not really conservative or you don't really mind that, then feel free to do so. It has a little bit of an elastic over here. So this is really nice. It's more of a going out top. Definitely an it girl top. They have this in black as well and in white. I got it in 2 colors so far, and I'm really happy that I got it. And I think this is a piece that would really suit anyone. Plus the halter top really accentuates the figure. So I really love this. And I paired that top with this cute skirt that I already showed at the beginning of the video. It actually has functional belt loops. It also has 4 pockets, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So that's really convenient. And I've already styled it on my Instagram. Whether you have more of a minimalist style or an edgy style, this is a design that would suit you. Plus, this is Flex Denim. Flex Denim, which you guys know is one of my most favorite collections from Halara because of how comfortable it is. Once again, for size and height reference, I'm 5'3", and I'm wearing a size XS for all of the pieces that I chose. If you have other questions or video suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. By the way, I also want to mention that not only does Halara have an amazing variety of pieces and styles, plus colors, they actually are size inclusive, which is the most important thing for me because that means everyone can truly feel confident and look good and feel good. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you'd like to see more of my outfits and more videos, feel free to follow my other social media accounts. And once again, you can use my code ALICE or ALICER for 15% off on full price Halara items. And I hope this helps you in picking out your pieces. All of the links will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!